Hey everyone! Welcome back to Fixing Expert, your go-to channel for all things home improvement. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most common issues people face when renovating. Mistake 1, skipping the planning phase. One of the biggest blunders is not having a solid plan before starting your renovation. Without detailed planning, your project can quickly spiral out of control, costing you more time and money. Always make a clear blueprint and budget. Mistake 2, underestimating costs. Many people underestimate how much their renovation will actually cost. Be sure to set aside extra funds for unexpected expenses, because trust me, there will always be surprises. Mistake 3, ignoring permits. Skipping permits might seem like a shortcut, but it can result in huge fines or rework. Always check your local regulations before starting any major renovation project. Mistake 4, DIY overload. While DIY is fun, overcommitting can lead to costly mistakes. Know your limits and when it's time to call in the experts, especially for complex tasks like electrical or plumbing work. Mistake 5, not hiring the right professionals. Choosing the cheapest contractor isn't always the best choice. Look for licensed professionals with good reviews to avoid headaches down the road. Where to shop for renovation materials in Dubai. Looking for top quality materials for your renovation? Visit fixingexpert.ae to explore premium renovation supplies, from flooring to wall panels. Why choose Fixing Expert? At Fixing Expert, we offer not only the best materials but also expert consultation to guide you through every step of your renovation. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more expert tips. Let's make your home renovation a success, not a nightmare. See you in the next video.